Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Bree. Let's get ready, girl. I'm going to be using and testing out the e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip Primer. A full face on top of the e.l.f. primer to show you guys how it wears, how it looks, and it is giving what it needs to give. So I am starting off my base. I already did my full skincare. If you want to see what I use for my skincare, go to my previous video where I talk about all new J.Cat Beauty's K-Beauty skincare line. Right now I'm gonna prime with my e.l.f. Power Grip. You guys, this is the best thing that has come out as far as e.l.f. e.l.f. has been killing the freaking game. We all know this, but you guys, seriously, this is way better than the Hydro Grip by Milk Makeup. We've been knowing this though. And also, e.l.f. does have the Jelly Pop and the Mint Melt primers. This is better than those. So that's how you know that this is going to be the new holy grail primer for everybody this year. It is thick in consistency and just like rich. It doesn't feel like drying on my skin at all either. Like I didn't get any patchiness either from my foundation, which I used to get with the Hydro Grip from Milk Makeup, and I'm not the only one who has experienced this. I know everybody loves that one, but I am just personally not a fan of it, and I don't like using it on my clients either. So I don't think it's just me. I think it's patchy. Like in some areas it is. This, not at all. It does feel a little bit more like moisturizing a little bit, and look at how sticky. Like it is sticky, and your foundation lasts all night. For foundation, I'm going to be taking the Pretty Fresh from ColourPop. I'm in the shade medium 110 warm. Sometimes I do cool this down a little bit though. I am blending it out right now, and as you guys can see, like it is a little bit yellow for me, but I don't really mind because I do lighten it up in certain areas with my concealer and everything. But this foundation is one of the best foundations that you will ever try from the drugstore, and it is so affordable. So I highly recommend the Pretty Fresh by ColourPop. It includes hyaluronic acid, and I am just a fan of skincare, so anything that has any like skincare properties is the best for my face. I'm using my Lottie London brush. I got this one at Walmart, and I don't know the number. LF020. I'm not sure if that's the number, but I remember on the package it said like foundation buffing brush. So I'll put a photo on the screen for you guys if you guys want to find it. But Lottie London has really nice makeup brushes, and I was a little bit shocked. This is from J.Cat as well. This is the Stay Assurance Concealer. So my skincare is all J.Cat, but this concealer has skincare in it as well. So it is very hydrating, very full coverage. I am obsessed. The shade that I'm using is Soft Tan. I also can go with shade Buff if I wanted to lighten up my under eye, but overall for my complexion, if you guys have the same skin tone as me, Soft Tan is really nice, and it's so hydrating. I like this a lot better than my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It has been replaced. Also water sealed and water resistant. I wore this past weekend, and there was a lot of crying involved, and it looked amazing. Look at how it just melts right into the skin like butter. You guys, holy freaking coverage. Do you guys see this? And my skin looks glowy. I'm telling you, it's the Power Grip doing its job, doing its magic, because that, I need like 5 of them. I need to restock because I know that they're going to be sold out forever. Setting powder, I recently picked up the Huda Beauty baking powder, and the shade that I got is in Banana Bread. I originally went for Sugar Cookie or the translucent, but they didn't have a lot of shades at the Sephora I went to, so I just picked up Banana Bread, not knowing, you know, how it would look, and it actually made my skin look really nice. Like, it's not too yellow for my complexion, so it doesn't leave any like yellow tint or a yellow cast. I'm obsessed. It's probably one of the best powders I've used so far. Head and placing it under my eyes to set my concealer. As far as scent goes, this does have a fragrance to it. It's giving me like It's like a perfume. I know I've smelled it before. It's not my favorite, but it's so light that it does go away, so it's not like a lingering scent that's gonna be with you all day. But just so you guys know, if you guys don't like fragrance, this does have minimal fragrance, but like I said, it goes away. Show how the powder is reacting with the Power Grip, because it isn't budging at all whatsoever. It looks amazing. I still have a radiant little dewiness to my skin, but I am matte under my eyes. I love this powder, you guys. If you guys are going to invest in a high-end powder, this one is the one. I'm going to add a little bronzer. I'm using the Morphe Filter 7. This is their compact powder, but I do use it as a bronzer. I love using compact powders as bronzer because it just melts right into the skin a lot better than a normal bronzer, in my opinion. If you don't want to like waste your time blending, I highly recommend just using one of these compact powders. It doesn't have to be Morphe, it could literally be anybody else, and just press it into your skin because it literally merges into your complexion products and it just looks so seamless, but it still gives you that definition. Right now I'm getting ready to do a client glam. I have to hurry up, and then I am going to be going later to Morphe because I want to pick up some restocks. Again, I've been so busy. I'm having a lot of clients this month. Again, baking under my bronzer, and I'm using the Huda baking powder. I am in love. This powder will disappear because it does absorb your makeup. Guys, this powder just does the damn job. Like, I don't even really have to wipe it away because it literally disappears. It does its job and I'm obsessed with it. Worth every penny. Last couple days I've been wearing the Rare Beauty Grace Liquid Pinch blush. I have never tried any of their blushes before, and I am a newfound obsessed Rare Beauty connoisseur. Okay, I love their Always an Optimist spray, but I haven't tried any of their makeup really, so this is my first item and I am obsessed. The only thing with this though is that you have to work fast. Since it is a liquid blush, it does dry down matte, so I highly recommend either using your fingers, warming it up and then pressing it into your skin, or using a beauty sponge. I used a foundation brush and I just noticed that there is patchiness if you don't use your fingers or a sponge, so that is what I recommend from this point going on if you are going to be trying anything from Rare Beauty. Lightly worked it into the skin and I'm just buffing it out with whatever I had on my foundation brush. It is a very light amount of blush today, but I am still living for it. If you add a little bit more, a little goes a long way, so you'll have a very pigmented blush moment, which you guys know I love. But today is just a little casual. I'm gonna set my face with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Setting Spray. This has been sold out all over the place because of TikTok, and I'm so sad because this is one of my favorites and I only have a mini, so once they restock is when I will get my full size again. For double setting, I'm gonna go ahead with my Milani Make It Last. This is an alcohol based setting spray. The Milk Makeup one is not, so I do want to add this for protection. I'm gonna be wearing my makeup for a few hours today. Okay guys, this is the final makeup look. What do you guys think of the skin? I'm extremely happy with how the look came out today. Very natural. I wasn't going for anything crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.